Welcome to this tutorial on how to close Thinkorswim. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can easily exit the platform when you are finished with your trading session. First, start by saving any important work or data. If you have open charts or customized settings that you want to keep, make sure to export or note them down. Once you are ready to close the application, navigate to the top right corner of the Thinkorswim window. There, you will see the Close button, typically represented by an X. Click on that button to initiate the closing process. If you have any unsaved changes, a prompt will appear asking if you wish to save them before closing. If you want to keep your changes, click Yes, otherwise select No to exit without saving. Make sure that you have completed all trading activities and have logged out of any accounts if necessary. Finally, if you are using Thinkorswim on a mobile device, simply tap the Home button and swipe away the application from your recent apps list to fully close it. Remember, closing the platform securely helps protect your personal information and ensures your session is properly concluded. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful.